Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Blacoy wireless doorbell camera. It has an included chime, 2K Ultra HD resolution, 100% wireless, easy setup, and it has this app for iOS or Android. Let's take a look at the inside of the box here. Quick start guide, sticker to let people know you have surveillance. This card, if you want to install this with screws, it'll allow you to line up everything perfectly. Micro USB cable for charging this. 3 AAA batteries for the chime right here. You've got the screwdriver, Phillips head, and hex for opening this thing up. You've got screws, drywall hooks for that. You've also got these stickers, which I recommend because this is a very easy setup. You just put these on the back of that and you can just stick it to your wall of your house. Here is the chime. The 3 AAA batteries go in the back here. It's also got a USB-C cable. If you want to power it that way, you can change the different music options, it looks like. So this is a very nice size. And then here you got the doorbell. You can put the stickers right there, or you can of course use those screws. And then on this side right here is where you would go ahead and plug in the charger. It's got nice weather protection. Here is the infrared sensor. Here is the camera. And here is the button for ringing the doorbell. It also functions as a power button. So you can hear that right there. Overall, for the price, I highly recommend this doorbell.